Welcome students. In this video we will solve 4th and 5th question of exercise 1.6. It is on page number 21. This is class 6th textbook. Okay, and these questions are related to Roman numerals. Sometimes we have to convert Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic, then again Hindu Arabic to Roman numerals. So these questions are interesting. Focus at the board. Fourth question is, which of the following is meaningless? Meaningless means which doesn't have any meaning. First part, V, X, I. So I am writing only the answers. Which of the following are meaningless? Listen. First is VXI. According to the rules of Roman numerals, V can be never subtracted from any other. So it is given on page number 6. Okay. V, L and D are never written to the left of a numeral of a greater value. So okay, first is VXI. As you know, X has greater value than V because it is 10, it is 5. So it is never subtracted from the symbol, or it cannot be written to the left of a greater value. So it is meaningless. Second is IC. Okay, it is again meaningless because, and property given on page number 20, I can be subtracted from V and X only. It means I को आप सिर्फ V और X के लेफ्ट में लिख सकते हैं, किसी अदर सिंबल के लेफ्ट में नहीं लिख सकते. सो दिस इज मीनिंगलेस. एंड नेक्स्ट आंसर इज फोर्थ. फोर्थ इज V L. अगेन V L and D are never written to the left of a numeral of greater value because, listen, the property used in first and fourth is same. It is 50, it is 5. So it cannot be written before the symbol of a greater value. Next answer is sixth. Sixth Roman numeral is V, and it is triple I. Okay. So why it is not allowed? So according to the properties on page number 19, see, these two properties are given on page number 19. These two, V, L and D are never repeated. So these 6 properties are very important. V, L and D, इनको कभी भी repeat नहीं कर सकते. Here V is repeating, so it is meaningless. And next is 8th. So what is 8th? It is M, V, triple X. It is M, V, X, V, X. M, V, X, V, X. M, V, X, V, X. As you can check that V is subtracted from X, but according to the rules that X can be, okay, it is writing V before X because it is never written before the symbol of a greater value. So the properties used in first, fourth and 8 is related to V and it is same. What is that? V cannot be written before the symbol of greater value. So यहाँ पर हमने V को X के पहले मेंशन किया है. It is 10, it is 5, it is not allowed. So these options doesn't have any meaning. So the answers are first, second, fourth, sixth and 8th. Okay, note it down. I am going to solve 5th question. It is the last question of exercise 1.6. So 5th question is, give the answer for each of the following in Roman numerals. Listen, there are 6 parts. So when you solve these questions, you have to convert Roman numerals into Hindu Arabic, perform the addition or whatever, then convert again into Roman numeral. So I am going to tell you first part. This question is most important. XC plus X. Listen, we have to convert into Hindu Arabic. So it is 100 minus 10. So 100 minus 10 and plus 10. Simply you can cancel out minus 10 plus 10. It is 0 and 100 means simply C. So the answer is C. I hope it is very simple and very important. Simple भी और important भी है. Correct? Triple x minus v. Triple x minus v. Now convert this into Hindu Arabic. So triple x means 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 5. And it is 30 minus 5, 25. So again convert 25 into Roman numerals. 25 means 10 plus 10 plus 5. So it is 25. Or if you don't have practice in this way, you can write 25 as 10 plus 10 plus 5. Then you can convert x x v. ओके, अगर आपको इससे डायरेक्ट लिखना नहीं आता है तो आप इसको ब्रेक कर सकते हैं इस फॉर्म में और फिर कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो बोथ द मेथड्स आर करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज थर्ड क्वेश्चन. थर्ड इज एक्स सी आई माइनस एक्स एक्स वी आई एक्स सी डबल आई minus double x v double I. Okay students, now what is this number in Hindu Arabic? See, 100 minus 10 plus it is simply 2, you can write 2 and minus, okay, minus this is 10 plus 10 20 and 20 plus 7 27. You can write the Hindu Arabic numeral for this Roman numeral directly. डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं आप, जरूरी नहीं कि आप 10 plus 10 plus 7 लिखें, because if you have more practice on converting these number systems, the questions will be easier for you. See what happens. 100 minus 10, it is 90, 92, 92 minus 27. So 92 minus 27 will be 65. Okay, and 65 means 50 plus 10 plus 5 and that is L X V. Okay students, note it down, check the answer also. 1.6 and this is question number 5. First C, second double x v and third is LXV. Okay, our answers are correct. Sometimes it is very important to take a screenshot of the video so that you can read it later. Next question is fourth. It is x l I v plus x x. Now solve this. So it is 50 minus 10. Okay, so it is 40 plus this is 4. You can write in any way. आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 50 minus 10 plus 4, doesn't matter. Okay, plus 10 plus 10 20. Now it is 40 plus 4, 44 plus 20 and it is 64. Okay, now see how to write 64 in Roman numerals. So no need to write again and again like 50 plus 10 plus 4. Just keep it in your mind. 64 means 50 plus 10 plus 4. So 50 means L, 10 means X and 4 means V. This is the answer. Next question is fifth. It is X C V minus L double X V. L double X V. So how to solve it? So to solve this, the number is 100 minus 10. C for century, it means 100 minus 10 plus 5 and minus what is this number? 50, 60, 70 and 75. So you can see it is 100 minus 10, 90, 95 minus 75, that is 20, and 20 means double X. So the answer of this question is double X. Okay, note it down. Last is sixth part. So sixth part is LX minus XL. Okay, very interesting question. Both the symbols are reversed. Okay, X, it is LX, it is XL. See, this is 50 minus 10. Again I am going to solve this question in different way. देखिए कैसे करेंगे. Put this minus sign, write a bracket, then XL means it is 50 minus, wait, it is 50 plus. Okay, LX means 50 plus 10 because this symbol has a smaller value, but this symbol is coming before L, so it is subtracted. 50 minus 10. Now change the signs as we remove the bracket. Minus 50 plus 10. Okay, as we do in algebra when we simplify the brackets. So when you remove this bracket, the signs of these values will be changed. See what happens. 50 and 50 cancelled out. 10 plus 10 means it is simply X and X. So I have solved this question in different way. You can solve the remaining questions in this method also, but you have to follow those methods only which are easier for you. मैंने आपको दो अलग अलग मेथड्स बताए हैं, आप किसी भी मेथड को फॉलो कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो आई होप this exercise is interesting and easier, and we have finished exercise 1.6. Students, revise this video. Okay, see the video 2 and 3 times, then solve the questions in your assignment. All the best.